Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this question, it is told that a hydrogen atom that is in 3p state is placed in a uniform external magnetic field, and it is told that consider the interaction of the magnetic field with the atom's orbital magnetic dipole moment. Now we have to find the value of the magnetic field that is required to split the 3p state into multiple level with an energy difference of 2.71 into 10 to the power minus 5 electron volt between the adjacent level. So first of all, in this problem we have to find the value of the magnetic field, that is B, and we have given the energy required, that is delta E is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 5 electron volt. This is the energy required for splitting. Now we can say that orbit magnetic interaction of an electron with magnetic quantum number, that is ml in an external magnetic field, is given by, it is U is equals to, this is ml into mu b into, this is B. Here mu b is the magnetic moment and its value is, that is 5.778 into, sorry, this is 5.788 into 10 to the power, this is minus 5 electron volt per Tesla. Now we can say that energy level is given by, that is delta E, energy required for splitting is, this is ml plus 1 into mu b into B minus, this is mu into L, sorry, this is for 1, that is ml into mu b into B. Now from here we get the value of delta E is equals to, this is mu b into B, or I can say B, that is magnetic field, is equals to, this is energy required upon magnetic moment. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 2.71 into 10 to the power minus 5 upon, this is 5.7788 into 10 to the power minus 5. From here we get the value, that is 0.408 Tesla. So this is the value of the magnetic field, and this is our answer for the first part of the problem. Now in the second part we have to find that how many levels will there be. So we can say that the given state is 3p state. So the state 3p, that is corresponds to orbital quantum number, that is L is equals to 1, and we know that for this magnetic field is given by, that is magnetic quantum number Mi can have 12 plus 1, and this is from minus L to plus L. So L is equals to 1 and ml is equals to, this is minus 1, 0 and 1. So we can say that we have 3 levels for each value of ml. So we have 3 level for each value of ml, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.